People got another hands-on with the Vision Pro this week. As you probably saw, if you follow any prominent gadget influencer, you probably saw them posting pictures about it. But it was only a 30-minute demo, so folks couldn't get a good sense of anything, really, so not worth me talking about. But some other details have dribbled out. FCC filings seem to indicate that the Apple Vision Pro lacks the chips needed to support Ultra Wideband, Wi-Fi 6E, and Wi-Fi 7. I guess they had to cut some corners to get the price down to $3,500. Apple also detailed the streaming and sports apps available on Vision Pro at launch, including Disney+, ESPN, MLB, PGA, Max, and TikTok. Some will have 3D movies. Avatar, obviously. There's an Alicia Keys concert that will, basically just be you and her. There's some 3D dinosaur thing from Jon Favreau. All VR platforms love to wow you with dinosaur stuff. But when I read that list of partners, notice who was absent. Netflix is apparently not planning to launch a native Apple Vision Pro app or allow its iPad app on the platform, and says users can watch Netflix on the web browser, quoting Bloomberg. The Vision Pro will run two main types of apps: new software written specifically for the device's interface or existing iPad applications. Apple has sought to make it easy to transfer developers' current iPad apps over to the new platform, aiming to quickly amass a wide range of Vision Pro software. The fact that Netflix isn't even willing to support the iPad approach suggests that it's taking a wait-and-see stance with the headset. It's also a bit of a reversal for the company, which said in July that it would support its iPad app on the Vision Pro. Even then, though, Netflix didn't plan to release software specifically for the headset's operating system, Vision OS. The approach means it will be harder for users to access Netflix on the Vision Pro, and they won't be able to download Netflix content to watch offline, potentially making it more of a pain to use on an airplane. The lack of an app also means Netflix watchers won't have access to custom environments for streaming. That means Netflix can't create specialized immersive backdrops for its users to watch videos in, end quote. So I tried to bring this up when we spoke to John Gruber last weekend. While Disney is participating, didn't you sort of expect them to do Apple a solid and maybe produce some sort of special high-profile new content offering for the Vision Pro? And also, I totally expected them to announce some whiz-bang new thing that developers had created that would be something new. But it looks like Apple is basically just going to launch the Vision Pro with just the bare-bones stuff they had when they announced the thing. And that is interesting.